This microscopic creature literally tears its own DNA to pieces and builds a brand new genome from scratch every time it reproduces. Pause and imagine that for a second. You think of DNA as fixed, a blueprint carved in stone. Not here. Meet a single-celled marvel that stores its instructions in a scrambled, smashed-up form, and then reassembles them into working genes like some tiny biological editor. At first glance, it looks like science fiction. Its body hides two different genomes. One is a vault, locked and unreadable, full of jumbled fragments. The other is an active library made for everyday life. When it is ready to pass on life, the vault is opened, shredded, and meticulously stitched into a usable instruction set. How does something do this without collapsing into chaos? The secret is a flood of RNA messages that act like templates and proofreaders. These RNA guides know the final shape of every gene. They point the cell to the right fragments, tell enzymes where to cut and where to glue. In effect, the cell runs a molecular assembly line that rearranges millions of DNA pieces into a perfectly ordered genome. This is not a slow, clumsy process. It happens fast, with precision higher than many lab-made edits. Whole stretches of junk DNA are discarded. New genes are optimized. The result is a streamlined working genome born from apparent disorder. Now the twist that turns curiosity into awe. This organism uses this system to encode incredible complexity. It can shuffle how genes are arranged to change which proteins are made. It can silence parts of its past and compose new instructions from fragments of the old. It is not just repairing, it is redesigning itself. If life can write and rewrite its own instruction manual on the fly, everything we assumed about genetic stability gets a jolt. This microbe is a living proof of radical genome plasticity. It hints at evolutionary strategies we never imagined and offers a template for future biotechnology that edits at scale with natural finesse. So the next time you picture DNA as a static recipe, think of this tiny architect quietly rewriting its cookbook day after day. Want more unbelievable biology that makes you question what life really is? Follow now and share this with someone who needs to see the world rewritten.